Today we will show you how to do the Zenius Card Printer advanced cleaning. First, open the print head cover and remove the ribbon. Remove all the card and keep in the box. When you withdraw the card, put it inside the box for safekeeping, because if the card gets scratched, your printouts will be affected. Set the thickness to maximum. In this advanced cleaning you need long T-card, cleaning swab, and short adhesive card. In the cleaning process you have to make sure the print head cover is closed. Double-click the power button. Put the long T-card into the printer and it will automatically cleaning the roller inside. Long T-card will take around 1 minute to do the cleaning process. And it will automatically eject the long T-card when the cleaning process is complete. After use the long T-card, then you use the short adhesive card. Remove the sticky adhesive. Sticky surface up. Sticky short card. Go inside. Short card cleaning will take around 20 seconds. We picked up the short card, so now have stick all the dust from the roller. Now you open the cleaning swab and clean the print head in one direction. Long press the power button, and the roller will continue rolling. After using the cleaning swab to clean the print head, you can reuse the cleaning swab to manually clean the roller. But when you clean the print head, you must use a new cleaning swab. See how dirty the roller is? If you don't perform the service, your printouts will worsen in quality. The last important thing is to set the thickness back to normal.
Please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel, follows our Facebook's pages and visit our websites www.alcaidc.com.